Welcome! If you're looking to update your Telegram password and keep your account extra secure, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple, up-to-date steps to change your password on Telegram. Whether you've forgotten your old one or just want to tighten your privacy, this quick guide will help you get it done in no time. First, open the Telegram app on your mobile. Make sure you're signed in to the account you'd like to change the password for. Once you're on the main chat screen, look at the upper left corner. You'll see your profile picture or the three horizontal lines icon. Tap on it to open the main menu. From the menu, head over to Settings. You'll find it a little further down the list, usually just below the Devices and Chat Settings options. Once you're inside Settings, scroll until you see Privacy and Security. This is the section that handles your account protection features. Tap it to continue. Next, find the option labeled Two-Step Verification. This feature adds an extra layer of security to your Telegram account by requiring a password in addition to the code you get when logging in on a new device. Tap on it. Now, enter your current password. This confirms your identity and allows you to make changes. After that, tap Change Password. Telegram will ask you to enter your new password, then confirm it one more time to make sure you didn't mistype it. Try to choose something strong. A mix of letters, numbers, and symbols is always a good idea. Once you've entered and confirmed your new password, tap Save. Telegram will update your password immediately, and from now on, you'll use that new one whenever you log in from a new device. That's it. You've successfully changed your Telegram password. Taking a minute to update your password regularly keeps your chats, contacts, and personal information safe. Make sure to store your new password somewhere secure and avoid sharing it with anyone. If you found this helpful, don't forget to share it with someone who might need a quick Telegram refresher.